have a business trip, a study tour, a vacation, or intentions of enjoying the unique tourism sites, we introduce to you Buvuma Palm Resort in Buvuma Islands, a unique place to be for all your accommodation needs with spacious cottages, well suited in a good environment, overlooking a serene ecosystem with a rare view of Lake Victoria right from your bedroom. While at Buvuma Palm Resort, you will be treated to free sights and sounds from different bird species, monkeys, and a magnificent view of attractive rocks, palm oil plantations, boat cruises, forest walk, bicycle riding, among others. Buvuma Palm Resort has first-class conference facilities with a unique taste of foods prepared by experienced chefs. It is located in Buvuma district on the main island near the district headquarters. It also boasts of a helicopter landing pad and a playground. On your way to Buvuma Palm Resort, it's just 88 kilometers from Kampala city center to Chiindi landing site, and it's 30 minutes travel in a boat to Buvuma. You are welcome as you take the best experience of traveling on the waters of Lake Victoria with the available sailing means with either passenger boats or the magnificent modern ferry, the MV Palm. Buvuma Palm Resort has so far been a dear destination for dignitaries, including prime ministers, ministers, parliamentary committees, but above all, the Katikkiro of Buganda, Charles Peter Mayiga.
Abantu ba Buganda na ba Uganda bajjeko Buvuma bawummuleko. Waliyo hoteri ng'eno Palm Resort. Bintu bya mulembe.